is located in Italy, in north of Tuscany, and it's famous for its leaning tower. You don't see it right now.
The Leaning Tower is 58 meters high bell tower that truly lives up to its name. It leans 3.9 degrees off the vertical. Its construction began in the late 12th century, but it wasn't completed until the late 14th century. The reason for that is it was built on a weak subsoil, and it already started to lean during the construction. They somehow managed to complete the build, but the tower kept leaning and leaning. In 1993, it already stood more than 5 degrees from the vertical, but the major stabilization project halted tilting, and experts now believe the tower is safe for the next 3 centuries. We wanted to experience climbing up the tower, but unfortunately children under 8 are not allowed up. Luckily, the tower is not the only attraction there. We stroll around and admire Duomo, magnificent cathedral dedicated to the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. The cathedral was built in the 12th century and is now a wonderful example of Romanesque architecture. We also strolled around the wonderful Baptistry, the largest baptistry in Italy. This too was built in the period from the 12th to the 14th century, and it is a nice mix of Romanesque and Gothic architecture. Because it was built on the same unstable surface, Baptistry leans too, but not as drastically as the tower. It was very hot, and it was
A little crowded.
so we didn't stay long. We bought some souvenirs and then we were off. On our way back to the parking, we found
This is Pisa football stadium. It's very exciting. He's taking a photo of a stadium for my brother. Luca.